Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Necessary. I'm an 8th grade ELA teacher here at Seneca, and I just wanted to give you a quick snapshot about what Genius Hour is so you can kind of understand the Tech the Halls display that you're looking at. Genius Hour is a year-long research project that my students participate in every Friday. It was modeled after a program that Google uses with their employees where they let their employees dedicate 20% of their work week to a passion project of their choosing, with the only stipulation that it should be able to be used somehow by Google in the future. That's how a lot of the programs that you see that Google puts out was how they were actually designed. So my students at the beginning of the year, they pick either a topic they want to become an expert in, or they look for some sort of a social wrong or problem in our community or school that they would like to work towards a solution. So they spend the first part of the year doing a pitch for that, to Shark Tank style, to get the class's approval and my approval of their topic and their final product. Then they work on the research, really becoming an expert in their topic or in the problem. They work towards a solution. They actually have to create that solution and then present the research and the solution that they've come up with to the world. That might be done through a website, through a podcast, through some other sort of technological device. And basically, throughout the year, there are some certain similarities that all of the projects have. Students create a weekly log that logs what they've done that week as well as what their plan is for the future week, and that's done in Google Sheets. They also do a quarterly update on their progress or roadblocks that they've hit so far, and that's done through their personal or their educational blog on EduBlogs that they do through my class. And then in addition to that, each student has to do an annotated bibliography that is cumulative over the year for all the sources that they've used. And the number of sources is different depending on the level of class that they're in. Other than that, their products are completely and totally different and varied, and it's fascinating as a teacher to see what the students are coming up with, the problems that they're trying to tackle, their solutions that they're trying to come up with and implement, and the way that they're challenging themselves. So I encourage you to look through this interactive site. You can flip open the ornaments. They're all interactive on the tree, where you can either flip open the ornament that has a picture of a student and see what their particular research question is, or the ones that have a product, you can flip it open and use the QR reader to take yourself to that technology thing that the student or myself has created for the students and part of Genius Hour. In addition to that, you'll notice that hanging on the mantle are a variety of different technology tools that my students use throughout Genius Hour. And finally, if you look down at the bottom of the presents, I encourage you to unwrap the standards by flipping open the presents, looking at the different standards that the students cover and the way that the different things that they do through Genius Hour tackles those standards. Thanks so much. Happy holidays.